Previously on TWiT.
Dumb Denny said, if this is an Apple computer, how come it doesn't have blank? Lori said,
a stem.
Ian said,
oh dear, I feel slightly
Apple
ashamed, but
oh no,
You're not wrong.
Hands-on wellness.
These little things here have so many germs all over them. I have two options today that may help you out with cleanliness of your mobile devices.
This Week in Google.
How did you get those Pixel Buds so fast?
Feel good, they fit well, they sound good. Go outside, start walking. For some strange reason, the sound will cut out.
126 people on Reddit complaining of the same problem.
This Week in Enterprise Tech.
This problem exists when anytime you recycle your hardware. You don't clear it off before selling it. You're going to actually leak some data eventually. The researcher went and acquired 13 Tesla media control units. Each one of the devices stored a treasure trove of sensitive information despite being retired.
iOS Today.
This app is called Here Kitty, and you take your phone and you put the phone upside down somewhere hidden in your house.
Here, kitty. Oh my God. I found Kitty.
20 seconds.
Oh, that's going to drive Lisa crazy. Thank you.
TWiT. It's time to see Leo in the cat suit.